I'm Sylvia Perry. I'm an associate professor of psychology and an Institute for Policy Research fellow here at Northwestern. I am a social psychologist. I do experimental research on stereotyping and prejudice. We have a pretty large undergraduate research assistant lab. From any given quarter, I may have anywhere from 10 to 20 undergraduate research assistants. I also have honors thesis students, so students at Northwestern have an opportunity to work directly with faculty on projects that they develop themselves. So in my lab, the research assistants, we have a separate lab meeting in which we get to do some professional development, where they get to learn about what it means to be a psychology major, what experimental social psych research looks like. If they want to go to medical school or graduate school or law school, we try to provide them with professional development opportunities to help them understand how they could apply. Our RAs have an opportunity to help us collect data, to interact with families and participants, to code data and learn novel and unique statistical analysis methods. And they also have an opportunity to design, collect their own data, write up their own projects, present them to audiences, not just at Northwestern, but also national conferences. And we have undergrads who have actually worked on manuscripts with us and published them with us. So they have an abundance of opportunities here. One thing I think that's really unique and exciting about Northwestern's opportunities for undergraduate research is there is a lot of funding for undergraduates to be able to collect their own data, do their own studies, stay over the summer and get paid to do their own research. There are diverse groups of researchers here who are working on all sorts of topics. So, we have people who are doing neuroscience research, clinical psych research, research on personality development. And so I think that we have a really great group of faculty who are teaching a number of different interesting classes, like classes on political polarization, for example, classes on climate change, the psychology of climate change. So I think we have some really cool coursework, and the faculty are doing really interesting and novel research, and they have really great state-of-the-art research labs. And the courses are a really reasonable size. So, obviously some of our early classes for entering students, for freshmen, are a bit larger, but not nearly as large as they would be, at some of the big state colleges, for example. And then once students get to the seminar, there could be, 5 to 15 students in these seminars, for example, which really allows students to form personal relationships with the faculty and their fellow students, and to feel comfortable with taking the time to work through and understand the topics that they are focusing on in their class.